Hello folks, this is our exercise 3.1 and we are taking the part 4 video. We are left with only one last question, that is our question number 7. We will quickly see what the question says and we will get across solving those problems. The question says that find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip covers an arc of length. They give you 3 subparts for it. Now the pendulum, what is a pendulum? It is a small ball like thing which is tied to a string and then we swing it like this. So that's how you get to know so then what happens is when it swings it covers an arc. So I was unable to get the thing live for you, so I have tried to draw a figure. It is like this. The pendulum, it starts from this position and then when it swings it comes to a different position, it will cover an arc like this. So what happens is the length of the pendulum for us becomes the radius of our arc. So we will use that and this length is given to us. With the help of that we should find out the angle over there. That is what the question is all about. So let us see now how to go about doing it. We have this for the arc formed, generally for the arc formed or for the arc formed, in every case the radius is always 75 centimeters. Every time only the arc length is varying and length, that is L, is varying every time. That is 10 centimeters in the first case. So here we have to find out the angle. They ask us to find out the angle covered, which is theta. Now that little bit of rough work we can have. L is r theta, so theta is going to be L by r. So it's going to be L by r, which is 10 by 75. We can have that reduced in the table of 5 very easily. So it's like 5 2s are and 5 15 times, right? So it will come to the angle covered is 2 by 15 radians. So that's how we have the first subpart. Then next, in the second subpart, they give us a different arc length and that is 15 centimeters. In the second subpart, the L is 15 centimeters. So therefore theta will become L by r, which means it is 15 by 75. Oh, that's luckily 15 5 is 75. It's 1 by 5 radians. If you want, you can get it converted into decimal and get the decimal also, or you write it like this. Both ways it's correct. Then we have the third subpart where they give you a different length. The length is 21 centimeters. In the next case, they give us a length 21 centimeters. Again, for finding the angle, elaborate steps I have written here. So depending upon the scope of the question, like if it's a higher mark question, you will write little bit lengthy steps. If it's small 1 mark question, it's enough if you write in shortcut. So you have theta equal to L by r. So that will come to the length is 21 and the radius we know is 75. So we can get this reduced and get the answer. I hope it was 21. So we can have it reduced by maybe 3 7 times, 3 twice is 6 and 5 are. So it's like 7 by 25 radians. Now it's your wish. If you want, you can get it converted into decimals also and get the answer. That's all your wish. So this is all about the exercise. We have so many questions in the exercise. We have started here by getting ourselves introduced to radians and getting everything converted in terms of radians. In the next exercise, we will see much more concepts about trigonometry. Thank you.